Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with eXp Realty, and we are at our newest listing in Goodyear, Arizona. We are at our latest listing here in Goodyear, Arizona at 16441 West Culver Street. Before going inside though, I'd like to share with you the community and the location. This home is located in Ventilla community in Goodyear. Now what's nice about this community is it has a lot of pocket parks as well as 2 community pools for you to enjoy. Let's talk about the location on this one. What I love about this house is that it is one of the front homes to the cul-de-sac. So it does have the premium lot on it, and it goes into a cul-de-sac. And as far as the location where we are in Goodyear, well, this one's in a premium location. We are right off of the 10. We are within minutes of any kind of shopping you could want. So if you want to go over to Buckeye for your Lowe's, your Home Depot, perfect. You're within about 10 minutes of there. If you'd like to go back towards the Phoenix, Avondale area, you're within 10 minutes of there. You've got your gas stations, your grocery stores, your food places, everything is close and convenient for you. Okay, we are finally in this home. It is 2,271 square feet. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom with 3 full bathrooms. What's cool about that is that one of the bedrooms and bathrooms is on the first floor. So if you got guests, you got space for them right on the first floor, they don't have to come upstairs. We also have a loft on this home, which is another really cool feature. So you have not 1 living room, but 2. Now what a lot of buyers ask me is they go, is it the open floor concept? And yes, this one is. As you can see, the kitchen overlooks the great room. And right beyond that, we have the dining area. We are upstairs in this home now, and we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a beautiful loft, as well as a laundry and a secret room that I'll show you here in a moment. Okay, as I mentioned before, there is a secret room up here and it's off the laundry room. And what I like about this is that it can be used for storage or a media room. All right, we are in the backyard of this home. What I really love about this is it's actually one of the largest lots in the community. So you get a really usable yard in here. It's not basic. This one has everything done. So you have rock at the edging. You have the nice brick pavers, as well as the artificial grass behind me and a covered patio. It's done, it's ready for the next owner. All right, if you or someone you know would like to set up a showing, I make it super simple. Call 602-763-8106 or go to my website, gosoldrealty.com. Until next time, bye.